Hello everyone, welcome to part 64 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are getting the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we are going to continue working on the product filters, and in this part we are going to work on the brand product filter that we are going to do via Ajax as well. So let's see. So this is our listing page in which we are showing the products. We have opened the t-shirts categories from here. Okay, so here we have already done the site filter. We have done the I think the brand filter as well. We can check that which filters we have done so far. See, we have done the product sorting filters first of all with refresh of the page, and after that we have done the sorting filters without refresh of the page. And these are the sorting filters, okay, in which we have covered these lower price filter, highest price, latest items, best selling, featured items, and discounted items filters that we have done in product sorting filters. Okay, so after that we have started working on these sidebar filters that are located at the left sidebar, and here we have done the color filters so far. Okay, color filters we have already done. After that we have done the sizes filter. This one you can see the sizes filter we have done, and now we are sorry, yeah, now we are going to do the brand filter. Okay, so so these are the brand, so these brand filter we are going to do in this part. So let's start working on this brand filter, and you can follow the description under the video, in which you can find out that which steps you are going to take to integrate this brand filter in our MongoDB Laravel 11 MongoDB website. We have used the latest Laravel 11 Laravel version, and we have used the latest MongoDB version. Okay, so first of all we are going to open this product filter page, that model that we have created few videos back, and here we have already added the get colors function, get sizes function, and this function helps us to show the data, show the filters dynamically on the left side basis based on the products that are coming here. Okay, so we are not showing the complete data, like if there are 100 of sizes, then we are not going to show those 100 of sizes. We will only show those sizes that are located, that are found in the products that are coming here, and those products are belongs to some of the categories. Okay, so that's why these categories we are going to send to these functions, so that we can just fetch the products of that category, and we can fetch the filters of that products, and those filters we can show here to the user, so it is totally dynamic. Okay, so now for the brand as well, we are going to create the function get brand function we are going to create. Okay, so this is the function that we are going to create, in which we are going to send the category IDs as well. Okay, so here also we are going to send the category IDs, from which we are going to fetch the product IDs, and from those product IDs we are going to fetch the brands, okay, that are coming on those products, and those brands we are going to show here on the left side. Okay, so once again I'm going to open the filter blade file. Okay, so in which we are going to add these brands with the for each loop, so that we can show the brands that are coming in the open products, okay, that are coming in the current products. Okay, so I'm going to check the brands. I can enclose it like this, and this is the brand. So I'm going to replace this one with this. Okay, so here we can see that we fetch that get brands function that we have just created, and the brands will come from the products, and that we will show in the for each loop. Let's see, like there are few brands, not that much, so we are going to see that which brands are coming for these products. Okay, here you can already see that Arrow as well as the Gap, so these two brands must come. Let's see, Arrow and Gap must the only brands. Yes, the Arrow as well as the Gap is coming on the left side, so the brands are coming dynamically, coming from these filters. So see, why not the other brands we have not shown, because no t-shirt belong to any other brand, so what is the purpose of showing the other brands? Okay, so that's why we have not shown. So now we can continue. We will update the listing function as well to add the to add these to update the products query so that we can compare with the brand as well. So I'm going to open the product controller in front, and here we are, like we have done for the color filter, we have done for the sorting filter, we have done for the sizes filter. Now we are going to do for the brand filter. Here you can see we will first check that the brand is coming or not. Brand is there in the URL coming in request of Ajax or in the URL itself. If the brands are coming, then we are going to explore the brand. If there are more than one brand, then we're going to explore those brands. And in the wherein condition, we are going to check, we will fetch the brand IDs, because the brand ID we have used in our products collection. So I'm going to open the MongoDB compass as well, so that we can also compare it with the products collection as well. I'm going to connect it, and here I am going to, this is our project 11 database, and I'm going to open the products, and here you can see the brand ID. So brand ID is there for every product, so we need to fetch the brand ID from the brand name. Okay, so after getting the brands, we will fetch their brand IDs, and those brand IDs we are going to compare with the product. Okay, so that thing we are going to compare with the brand ID. If the brand ID matches, then we are going to show those products. Okay, so now we will try to do this. Like if I will check arrow, then only this blue t-shirt, that is the arrow brand product, must come. Let's see. Oh, so it's not working right now, and actually there I have not added the brand we is required to add in the product controllers. That's why it is not working. I need to add the brand here. Okay, so now I will try to uh, check once again, and now it is working. Now see, I'm going to remove it, this one, and now I will try. Okay, once again, like I'm going to check the arrow. Yes, you can see the arrow t-shirt is only left because we just want to see the arrow brand products, and this blue t-shirt is the arrow brand product. You can see here the brand name is given under the t-shirt. Okay, so I'm going to check the gap as well. I want both the arrow as well as the gap. Now if I will check the gap, here you can see the gap product has also come up here. Okay, so both the brand products are coming in now. If I don't want the arrow brand product, I will just uncheck it, and you can see it's gone away. So the brand filter is now working. Okay, but it is not highlighted. Like if I will refresh the page, it is not highlighting this gap brand. Okay, so for that we need to add the condition. This for each condition we need to add under filter, under brand. Here after this we need to add this one. I will remove this duplicate. Okay, so now it will also select that, and that brand checked we need to add here as well. Okay, so I'm going to refresh, and you can see now brand checked is okay, dollar brand checked. Now you can see we able to check it as well. Now if you can refresh the page as well, it will only check that brand, and it is helpful. Like if you are sending this URL to someone, some of your friend, like if you want to send the gap product URL to any of your family member or friend. Okay, then you can simply send that, and that person will open, then only that brand of products will open. That particular filter will means that particular filter of products will open. Okay, so that is really beneficial. So now you can do it like this, and even if you will refresh this page, like this URL, you can open anywhere. Like I'm going to tell you, like I just want to see the gap brand, and if there are many products of gap brands, I want to send this URL to any of my friend. I want to show them these are the gap brand products, and you can select one of those, and here you can see only the gap brand products is highlighted. So this is the major benefit of this one. Okay, so uh, see, we need to send it in the filter as well, so that in the pagination as well we need to send these one, like if there are more than 6 products, then in the pagination as well. If there are 20-30 products of gap, then this brand equal to gap must go in every URL in with every page. Okay, so for that we need to update in the here in the Ajax products listing as well. Ajax product listing. And one final thing that we are required to do, we will modify this one, so that we can send the filters along with that. Okay, so I will just update the div here. Okay, so here what we are doing, we are sending all these filter values like sort, color, size, as well as the brand, so that in every page we can able to send this one. Like if we can test it as well, I will once again make it paginate like one. Okay, and I will remove this one first of all. And here you can see the one product is coming in one page. Now if I will select I will select arrow brand. Okay, so in this case there is only one product is coming, because there is one product of arrow. I will select both. Okay, now you can see the both arrow and as well as gap product will come here. You can see it is also coming at the top. Now the pagination is working, and in the second page also this brand equal to arrow tilde gap must come, and here you can see it is going in the second page as well. You can see. Okay, so it works in the pagination as well. Okay, so now I will move it back to paginate 6, so that we can show the 6 products in one page. So that's all for now, and we will continue with the other filters, so please stay tuned for the next part. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.